Supplies today. Locally owned and operated. Fletcher's Pool Supplies Whyalla. 46 Darling Terrace. Call 8645 5151. That's 8645 5151.
Harvey Norman Big Brands mattress sale on now. The Slipmaker Miracle Classic Queen Ensemble Firm Medium or Plush Feels all just $9.99 each. Sealy Active Plus Queen Ensemble Great Edge-to-Edge Support Choice of Feels $12.99 each. Kincoil Cairo and Dice Queen Ensemble 3 comfort feels, 1 hot price, just $14.99 each. More great offers in the Big Brands mattress sale at Harvey Norman. Don't miss out.
Blackwoods is making it easy for you to get what you need when you need it. With the widest range of safety workwear, tools, welding products and more. Offering the best quality gear, unbeatable prices, great value and all the famous brands. Blackwoods, the champion supplier with all the big names. Sigweld, Bosch, LED Lenser torches, JBS tools and more. Blackwoods.com.au, the one-stop shop for saving time and saving money for Australian small businesses. Blackwoods, Norrie Avenue, Whyalla.
Whyalla Automotive, Whyalla Proud, your truly local Toyota and Hyundai dealer. Be our guest and put our service to the test. Whyalla Automotive, Essington Lewis Avenue, Whyalla.
5AU Weather for one-stop carpets. For all your flooring, coverings and window treatments, we're meters ahead of the rest. City Plaza, Whyalla.
Sunny today on the Gulf waters. There's a strong wind warning. Southeast winds reaching 20 to 30 knots, seas up to 2 metres. Sunny tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, 30 to 26 in Whyalla, 40 gusts to 29.